Welcome back to MotoMarket Explorer. Today, we're checking out 10 classic motorcycles for sale, featuring Honda Scramblers, BMW Airheads, vintage Triumphs, and iconic Harleys you can still buy today. 1. 1972 Honda CB350 Scrambler, $1,600, Des Moines, Iowa. This 1972 Honda CB350 Scrambler is a remarkably clean survivor with just around 7,000 miles. The seller reports that the bike fires up effortlessly and runs beautifully with both electric and kickstart fully functional, rare to see both working smoothly on a 50-year-old Honda. The carbs were cleaned recently, new tires were installed, and the brakes were serviced at the end of last season, making this a mechanically sorted vintage rider. Almost entirely original, it's not a museum piece, but it is an excellent condition classic that gets ridden and maintained properly. The clean title adds peace of mind, and the seller even has the original Scrambler exhaust available for the right deal. At $1,600, it's a fantastic entry-level vintage bike ready for cruising or custom builds. Two, 1975 BMW R75-6, $5,000, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. The 1975 BMW R75-6 is a legendary airhead known for its smoothness, durability, and timeless design. This example comes with a 5-speed gearbox, original BMW keys, handmade tank pinstriping, and dual spark plugs per cylinder for stronger ignition performance. It has received extensive recent maintenance, new tires, fresh oil pan gasket and hardware, new mirrors, a valve adjustment just 200 miles ago, and new fuel filters. It also includes an easy clutch for lighter lever pull and /7 daytime running headlights. The seller even adds a homemade saddlebag if desired. With its reliable upkeep and strong running condition, this R75-6 is ready for both daily use and long-distance touring. Classic Bavarian engineering at its best. Three, 1977 Kawasaki KZ400A Deluxe, $1,000, Edmond, Oklahoma. The Kawasaki KZ400 was designed as the perfect middleweight commuter, and this deluxe model is one of the rare trims featuring a factory windshield, special badging, and color-matched touring panniers. This bike does run and ride, but the carbs need attention, and the front brake requires a seal kit. Both kick and electric start work. Underneath, you get Kawasaki's extremely efficient 400cc parallel twin with balanced shafts for smoothness and a reputation for excellent fuel economy, up to 50 mpg when ridden gently. For $1,000, this is an affordable, historically interesting classic that only needs light mechanical love to be fully road-ready. 4. 1977 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, $6,500, Lawson, Missouri. This mostly stock 1977 Shovelhead runs and includes the mileage pictured in the dashboard photo. The seller has only ridden it around the block, but confirms it starts and moves under its own power. It features a newer battery and a fresh replacement key switch ready to install. The bike needs rear brake work, but is otherwise a solid foundation for restoration or showing. A classic AMF-era Harley with plenty of character and a clean canvas for someone who wants a vintage big twin project. 5. 1981 Yamaha XS 1100H, $2,500, Corinth, Texas. The Yamaha's XS1100 is known for big power, smooth highway riding, and rock-solid reliability. This one features the factory exhaust, oil cooler, shaft drive, triple disc brakes, LED signals, and a comfortable touring saddle. The seller says it starts easily and runs great thanks to its 1100cc four-cylinder engine fed by quad Mikuni carbs. Maintenance is up to date, and it includes manuals, factory tools, and premium Mobil 1 lubricants. Texas titled, licensed, and road-ready, this XS1100 is a superb value for riders wanting a strong, dependable vintage machine. Number 6. 1970 Triumph 500, $3,900, Siloam Springs, Arkansas. This 1970 Triumph 500 is a well-preserved survivor, not overly polished, but authentically clean and original. It runs well and has received numerous new parts including fork tubes, seals, clutch components, bushings, and a modern electronic ignition for improved reliability. It's the kind of British classic that carries charm in its patina while still providing a dependable ride, perfect for enthusiasts seeking a true vintage feel. Seven. 1981 Suzuki GS750 Cafe Build, $3,250, Jenks, Oklahoma. A beautifully refreshed cafe-style Suzuki GS750 with a clean title. Recently serviced with a new battery, hardwired trickle charger, and multiple upgrades, this bike is in mint mechanical condition and needs nothing. The headlight housing is removed to fix a loose connection, but will be reinstalled before sale. Tires, chain, and brakes are all strong. The buyer also gets all spare parts and manuals, making this a turnkey vintage cafe machine ready for weekend rides. 8. 1967 BSA Thunderbolt Project, $2,800, Montgomery, Texas. This revival project began 5 years ago, combining a rebuilt 1967 Thunderbolt engine with a 1968 Lightning frame. It sports a Mikuni carb, electronic ignition, new paint, new harness, fresh tires, and rebuilt forks. It does run well, but still needs completion work to be fully sorted. The seller invites buyers to test it in person and view additional parts included. There is no title, bill of sale only, but it's a fantastic base for a British classic restoration. Nine. 1972 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, $5,700, Houston, Texas. A true 74-inch shovelhead with garage-kept ownership and desirable early components, including a ratchet-top transmission. The seller demonstrates that it runs using ether and a borrowed battery and can install the correct battery and flush the fuel system for a buyer. Clean title, good bones, and valuable vintage parts make this an authentic early 70s Harley ideal for restoration or custom building. 10. 1983 Kawasaki KZ750 LTD, $2,850, Harrison, Arkansas. This is a well-preserved 1983 KZ750 LTD twin that starts, runs, shifts, and stops extremely well. Both electric and kickstart work, and the bike has no fluid leaks. It carries some cosmetic marks, tank dents, headlight bucket wear, and a repaired lowercase crack sealed with RTV, but mechanically, the engine is in excellent condition. Newer tires, fresh controls, brake components, lighting, and other replacements make this a reliable, road-ready vintage Kawasaki that needs nothing but a rider. Thanks for watching MotoMarket Explorer. If you enjoy curated classic motorcycle finds, make sure to like and subscribe for more vintage gems every day.